One thing that brings all of us together, it's the water. It's so essential that we maintain these systems so that they can continue to provide the clean water that this country depends on.
Water could not be overestimated in its importance to the Coca-Cola Company. Water is everything to us.
It's never been more clear the need for us to restore these landscapes in the country today so they can withstand the stresses that they face, whether it's the fires or the floods, but it's also the invasives that can take over these landscapes.
We are very fortunate that Coca-Cola has been a strong partner with us. It's local communities, it's Coca-Cola, it's the government working together to get the job done.
For us to really be sustainable and be the company that we are 100 years from now, we have to engage in water in an active way. We want to get to a point where we can say every drop of water that we put in our products, we've balanced with water that we've returned to different watersheds around the world.
Budgets are tight. Our capacity to do more projects is limited. Coca-Cola comes along and says, hey, we're here to help. We're gonna extend the number of projects you can do.
We've seen contributions from our two foundations, the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and the National Forest Foundation. They've helped with projects. The first one was in California, in the Sierra Nevadas. It was a high elevation wetland meadow restoration. The second project was in Colorado. Of course, this one here in Medewan, where they're going in and removing a lot of the drain tiles that have been here for at least 50 years. We have another project in California associated with impacts from wildland fires.
We've signed a 5-year memorandum of understanding, but the way I see it, at the end of 5 years, we'll have had so much success that we'll roll this over and it'll keep rolling and it'll keep rolling as we learn together, as we collaborate together, and as we make a real difference.
It's inspiring, and I think it offers an opportunity for other corporations, for other nonprofits, for other communities, for other federal agencies to take a look at what we're doing here and saying, hey, you know, we could do that. We could fund a project, or we could provide volunteers, or we could link up with a department of the federal government to make something happen.
When business, government, and civil society find a common objective, find common space, and share common values and work together in a collaborative way against sometimes what's seemingly intractable problems, it's amazing what can be accomplished.